poison gas.
现在大家看到的是鬼子的阵地。
High-speed tractor. And that tractor had one purpose in life, and that was to pull that big old 155mm long Tom gun. Well, son of a gun. I told you they were talented. Here it comes. This is an M4 high-speed tractor.
You know
Assuming
what else
that
John
we say
Browning?
high speed is relative, certainly faster.
Yeah, Browning automatic rifle. Those machine guns, yes. The
Vehicle
45.
had a single job, and that was to pull that 155
He made basically 30% of all of the...
And also not to be missed, they are sponsoring the War Correspondent exhibit, which is across the way over by the
The receiver was replaced as well.
Also want to thank Bethpage Federal Credit
Most of the
Union.
internals, like some of the
Long
gadgets and
time
stuff.
frame.
That was
First thing
actually
I did here when I got here, gosh, I guess 9 years ago, was go over to their headquarters. I guess it was in Hicksville. Drove some vehicles over there.
Yeah, you can get a good one.
Very nice time. Very, very nice people. That would help being in Florida. Florida's been prone to hurricanes.
So, what the Philippine Scouts would be equipped with were 1903 rifles.
Rescue stranded people.
So,
the
these are
Romans
all
were developing a vehicle called
military
Alligator. Now, this
Good,
is
how are you?
mid-1930s. And they had
Scouts,
developed
man,
an all-new
most of the
vehicle.
Americans fighting in the
With
Philippines.
tracks like this,
The
much
weapons here by
smaller,
any chance?
They got
different
good.
type engine, but the whole
fact, they were
concept
so
was
good.
Japanese.
Japanese.
Type 38. Damn bastards lied to me. It's a reproduction of slaves. This is a Japanese symbol right here. That is the symbol for the emperor, for the emperor's family.
So this one made in Japan.
No, this isn't a real gun. This is airsoft. It's fake. Those ones are real.
But we don't want to
Both
spend,
of these were made in
这是真的，
So
这是真枪。
nationalize the Philippine Scouts.
And started
And
the
then this one has the original mark on it.
The Filipinos
This was made in
are now
Japan.
part of the regular
Made in
West
Japan.
Army, just like
99是
everyone else
日本制造的。
And if you want to
this
see
guy too.
the arsenal marks,
Thousands of these.
they're right down there.
Very, very interesting vehicle.
Just behind the serial number.
during shooting competitions, they would outshoot every American soldier and Marine.
Now these
A
were
handful of Filipinos
these were meant to be the
sent
replacement
from the Philippines to
for
West Point
those rifles
to become officers.
because these were in a
But, you know,
larger
the times were
caliber.
like, we can't
They
have
shortened the
Filipinos
rifle a
leading
little bit. It was a lot better for close quarters combat.
American units to be given M1
Infantrymen
rifles
who's been
weren't
wounded.
even really American. They were all part of the Philippine Scouts. They were all given
Roll
these
up on the
because they
scene,
thought that they were
give
the
them
best.
emergency treatment, package them up, and take
In World War I. You know, for the upcoming spring 1919 offensive, the Philippine Scouts were in the Philippines training to get into trenches, you know, bayonet fighting, all of that stuff that they were doing in Europe, but the war ended before they came over. But they still got the ribbon that said, hey, we're in Europe. And in the 1920s and 30s, you know,